y'all, it's your girl Kay, and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing y'all how I laid my lace frontal wig from this hair I got off AliExpress. So right now all I'm doing is just slicking my edges back with a little edge control. The edge control that I'm using is the ebony edge control. Y'all will see when I hold it up at the end. So now what y'all finna see me do is the wig cap method, where it sit flat on your head or whatever. It's really self-explanatory once you see me doing it or whatever. And everybody, I know y'all know the wig cap method. So yeah, just watch this and I'll come back. First, let me get one thing out the way. I know I'm ashy as hell, so please don't go in the comments saying that. But y'all see my reaction I just did? Y'all know that one time when y'all hit a little note and it sounds so good, sound real professional. That's what I did right there. Boy, I had vocals. So what I went ahead and did off camera was put makeup on my bald cap and put makeup on my wig. Now you want to get any type of rubbing alcohol and clean all the makeup, edge control, all the dirt, all the everything around your hairline so your glue can be able to stick and not be tacky. The glue I used for this install was Boho. It's very strong and it's some very nice glue. So now I'm about to start applying my glue. And what you want to do is you want to lay the glue like on top of the ball cap to like move it forward. Move the glue forward. Y'all see what I'm talking about when I'm finna apply the glue. But you want the glue halfway on the cap and halfway on your head. on like your skin, so it could get a seamless, flawless look. You want to make sure that you is smoothing out the glue as best as you can. You want to make sure you get it's flat. I don't know even know what words I'm trying to use, but you want to make sure that you spread that glue out and you spread it until it's like turning clear. Well, you don't have to spread it until it's turning clear, but you know, do a nice layer to where it don't take that long to turn clear. And once you turn, after your first layer dry, you want to take the blow dryer to make sure that it's all the way dry. Well, not all the way dry, but you want to make sure that it's a little tacky. And then you're going to go ahead and proceed to put your second and third coat on. So when it's time for me to lay my frontal down, what I like to do is start in the middle and work my way to each side or whatever. So once I done laid it down, I would like to get like a little comb, and which I'll see in a minute. I like to get a little comb and push the hairline in and the glue, you know, like comb it back to make it give it like the more, you know, to make it melt more. And yeah. And I also want to tell y'all where I got this hair from. I got this hair from AliExpress. It was a vendor called Ali Coco or something like that. I'll put the description to the hair or whatever down below in the description box. But this hair, like when I say this hair, it's really good. This is some really nice hair. I've been having this hair for at least a good maybe 6 months or so, and it still be looking like, every time I do my hair, it still be looking like it just came out the pack or I just started doing it. Y'all see me hitting the renegade, period. Not just playing, but now I'm about to lay this side down, and the other side I'm gonna do off camera, and I'm gonna come back when everything is almost done. Like, I really can't believe my damn elbows is that fucking ashy, and I didn't know until I was editing the video. Like, please don't try to go on me. I know they ashy. It's okay. Motherfuckers always ashy. So your girl was kind of proud of herself right here because, honey, it was looking too nice to me. The frontal was looking laid and everything, honey. It was looking nice. The hoes couldn't tell me nothing. Now I'm just pulling out my edges or whatever to get them all laid down so I can form my baby hairs. But first, before I do that, I'm going to put an elastic band on my head to make sure the glue is dry before I put mousse on them, because it is going to lift up once I put the mousse on it. But you just have to lay it back down with the elastic band or a scarf or anything that's tight, and blow dry it or sit under the dryer, whatever you prefer. So I had went back in and cleaned some of the excess stuff, like glue and holding spray that was around my edges, when I forgot to to glue down the places where I didn't put glue, and I forgot, but that's okay because I went back and did it anyway. So this is where I blow dry my hairline in with the elastic band to give it a more melted look. Even though I'm going to have to do it again after I do the edges, but... So now we're about to get into these edges, and let me tell y'all, like, I'm so glad that I was recording this at this moment, because the way I did my baby hair, I ain't never did my baby hairs. Like, y'all gonna see, y'all gonna see. So now I know, like last time, when I used to do my baby hairs, I used to cut them too long. But a YouTuber, Erica J, so when I watch her, she say you have to do them short. So that's when I tried this time. So I only did one side at a time, just to even see how it's gonna come out or how it's gonna work. So I put a lot of mousse, and I just went to doing the baby hairs, and just watch how it just formed. Just watch how it just, it took me a while, but just watch. Like, y'all gonna see my face. I'm gonna be so honey, your girl did her do you hear me? Your girl did her shit. I'm dead, y'all. Look at my face. Like, I was like, oh, okay, bitch. Like, nah. Like, nah, bitch, you ain't just snap on like that with the edges. Like, nah, you ain't do that. Like, it was so funny, though. No lie, y'all. At this point, I thought I was ever gonna tell you what the hell. I said, ooh, no. They ain't messing with Key. Them edges was cold. Y'all know it's always one side of y'all hair that come out looking better than the other one. That's how it was with these edges. One side was looking better than the other. But it don't matter because I learned how to do both sides eventually. I'm going to get them better. But this is why I decided that I didn't want them two swoops in the front of my head, because that just looked crazy to me. I really didn't like that. So I put my elastic band on and blow dried it to make sure my lace is down and nothing is lifting up. So once I got done blow drying, this is how my baby hairs came out. And I just got my edge comb or whatever, and used the end of that to comb my edges out to make them look natural or like soft, and not make them look so like stuck to my head. So y'all, I was so excited for the end result or whatever. I was really happy about how it came out and stuff. So right now what I'm finna do is just try to like flat iron my hair, get it a little straight or whatever. And I got to feeling myself. You know how you get to moving your head and stuff when you feeling yourself, whatever. But yeah, I'm just gonna flat iron my hair to try to get it a little straight. And once again, I'm gonna leave the link down to the hair below in the in the description box, along with a lot of other my information and my social media. So yeah. I could have been flat ironing my hair a little more better than this, but when I was recording this video, it was like late at night, and I really didn't care. I really didn't try to get my hair bone straight to how I wanted, or really care about flat ironing it. So, yeah. So now I'm taking my Nairobi mousse, and I'm applying it to the edge of my hair and the top of my hair, because I like my hair to sit on like a hump in the front. If you get, not a hump, but like a little dent, I guess you can see what I'm talking about, like in the preview. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. And then I'm gonna take my Care wax stick, and I'm gonna go over what the spots where I put the mousse at, just to make it look shiny and slick back. And then I'm gonna take my wand curl, just to, you know, flatten it out, smoothen it out and things, because my hot comb broke. So yeah. So then right here, you will see me trying to decide, do I want to put a small swoop right there or what, because it looked a little boxy to me and I didn't like that. But by the end of the video, you will see that I decided to put a small swoop right there or whatever, just to give it the look I want. And yeah. So this is the final look. I still don't know how I feel about the little edge in the middle, but I don't know. I don't think it's cute. I think it's not cute. I don't know. For right now, it's just gonna be there. this one. It's so good, like. Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Tell me what other videos y'all would like to see next. I'm trying to stay consistent. I'm trying to get my YouTube up. Like, I'm trying. So don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, subscribe. Hit that little bell so you can get all my post notifications. And yeah.